So you want to wear your money around so people know how much you got. My name is Robert Sagono, and I'm going to teach you how to make a ring out of a dollar bill. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our dollar bill. What we're going to do is we're going to take it and we're going to fold it up quite a few times. Just fold it over like this. What I want to do is I want to leave the number 1 like so. Just fold it over to that point so we can still see it. Just fold it over again. Like so. Just fold it one more time. See if we can get it to where we can keep that number 1 on top there. There we go. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to kind of grab it. We're going to just kind of fold it into a triangle, like so. Just going to take it, just loop it around, whatever size your finger happens to be. Loop it around. What we're going to do is just going to keep folding it over. Oops, it wants to come apart on me. There we go. Just kind of fold it over a couple of times and tuck it under like so. There we go. The great thing about a dollar bill is you can fold it about 4,000 times before it actually rips on you. So throw it in, put it on your finger, there you go. Now you're styling. Play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.